The AxisGO Action Kit keeps a small compact profile while allowing you to get more of the action in your frame. This kit includes the pistol grip for extra ergonomics and handling, a sports leash to protect and secure your equipment in heavy water conditions, and our ultra wide angle lens to give you a unique field of view on your standard iPhone lens. If you're someone that loves to shoot action sports or in and around the water, the Action Kit's for you. By giving you this unique wide-angle lens, you can fit more of that action to fill your frame, while still giving you the extra reach and stability with our unique pistol grip. Everything you see here has been hand-picked by the AQUATECH team to give you the best user experience with your AxisGO.